First I am gonna start by marinating 250 grams of chicken with 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon soya sauce. Mix all this thing well and keep this aside meanwhile you prepare some other things. In this video I have shared few tips and tricks while making fried rice which you may not know before, so don't miss anything. The most important part while making fried rice is to make rice perfectly. Here I am sharing one tip to make rice perfectly so that it won't break. Boil the water first, add into it oil, salt, few drops of lemon, and then I am going to add into it 2 cups of long grain rice which I have soaked it for 30 minutes. Now cook the rice until it's completely done and keep checking it. When you find that it's breaking into 3 parts, that means it's done. Now strain the water completely, cover and keep the rice as it is. Don't touch it now. The further procedure it will be done in its own steam and the rice will also not break while tossing it with the veggies. Now add 4 tablespoon oil. Keep gas flame high throughout the cooking process. Add in marinated chicken and stir it well. If you see the red marks start appearing on it, put it on the side. Now add 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger and half tablespoon minced green chilies. You could also add ginger garlic paste, but ginger garlic paste will not give that taste which freshly cut ginger garlic gives. Anyways, it's up to you and saute it for few seconds. Then add 1 spring onion, the white portion, and also the red onion which we use regularly in our kitchen, and saute it nicely for few seconds. Then add in 1 medium sized chopped capsicum, 1 chopped carrot, 1 cup cabbage, chopped spring onion. If you have celery, minced and add in little bit, but it's optional. Add fresh coriander. Yes, coriander also bring a nice flavor to the fried rice. In restaurant too, people use coriander while making fried rice. Now add in 2 teaspoon soya sauce, 2 teaspoon vinegar, half teaspoon Szechuan garlic chili sauce and 1 teaspoon chili sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney, 1 chicken cube, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce. Simultaneously add rice to it and saute all this thing well on a high flame only for 2 minutes. You could adjust sauces more or less as per your taste. Do not cook them, just make them well combined with all the sauces on a high flame. Rice also you add it gradually so it will be easy to you for mixing. Secret to good tasty Chinese dish is not to overcook anything. You just need to toss your veggies or rice on a very high flame literally for 2 minutes and season them with the sauces of your choice. The crunchiness of the veggies should remain into it. And if you want, you could add scrambled egg to the top of it. Here it is ready to bite. One more thing I wanted to share with you. Please watch video which appear on I button because that recipe you will not find anywhere on the internet. And if you find my video is interesting, please give a like to my video, share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.